On the 6th day of Thriftmas, Refashionista Sheri gave to me 6 thrifty gift ideas.
You can never go wrong with a fancy candle and holder, and the thrift shop is full of them. A lot of them are still brand new in the package, plus knickknacks. I mean, look at this guy. It's a candle. It's a knickknack. What is it? And this, put some jewelry in its mouth, wrap it up, and present it. It is a fantastic little gift. I love all of these little nicky, knacky, schnicky, schnacky things. Like, look at this cute little basket. What great little wrapping that would be. And speaking of baskets, can you get any better than the variety at the thrift shop of baskets and cases? And I mean, these are all great. They are a gift, but they're also wrapping for some extras to put inside. I know I don't have to tell you that clothing for just about every single style, taste, and budget can be found at the thrift shop. I mean, why not put together an outfit, a complete outfit for the person that you're buying for? Everything, top, trousers, a dress, what about accessories? Absolutely everything can be found at the thrift shop, even super fancy schmancy items. I look at this glittery number here. How gorgeous is that? Decorative vases are not just for flowers and plants. You can use them to gift utensils, makeup brushes, anything, pens, anything that will fit in there. Little storage jars are always a great gift. Plus, I always love giving funky salt and pepper shakers because everybody uses them. The next stop on our tour is, of course, accessories. So you have belts, scarves, hats, bags, so many to choose from in so many different styles. And the best part is the bags can actually be used to wrap up the rest of the gifts. Don't just give one mug or cup, make it a set and include their fave coffee and tea and make it a party. One of my favorite DIY gifts to give is one of my favorite recipes, plus all the ingredients all packaged up in the appropriate baking tray. But my favorite place to look at the thrift shop is always the sleepwear section. I always manage to find something adorable, usually with the tags still on it. Like, look at this, so sweet, satin PJs, absolutely perfect. And I knew I saw some back here that still had the brand new tags on, so definitely these are coming home with me.
Stay tuned for your daily dose of Thriftmas magic.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.